some peace in your vibes. I've been quiet for too long.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create an amazing 3D text. So let's start with this. So first of all, click the text tool over here, select the text color. For this video today I'll be using this blue color. So click anywhere in the area and just type the letters that you want. So I'm going to type amazing text effect. So you can use the move tool to place this anywhere in the center and just kind of line this text so it's in the two rows. So I'm just going to move this, and now if you want to make this bigger, which we need to do now, just go edit, click edit and go in free transform and just expand this to be bigger. Okay, that should work. Okay, let's go now. Right click on the first layer that we have, the text layer, and let's click that duplicate layer. Click OK. Right click on this duplicated layer and click rasterize 3D, rasterize type. Now let's select the brush tool. Size of the brush in this example I'm using resolution 1024 with 768. So depending on your resolution, it will depend how big size of this brush you want. So you want it kind not be too thin according to your letters. I'm going to use size 13. And then just hold the shift button and keep pulling down. Make sure that the brush you selected is hard brush and hardness is 100%. Just add a few of these. If they are getting connected for some reason, just go and hit Ctrl Z so you can just undo that, and then you can draw the new one. Now reduce a little bit the size of the brush and keep pulling the lines. Let's go and make it even smaller. Select 6. In my case now it's 6. You can also add a little bit towards the top of the letters. Make it even a little bit more smaller. Okay, you can also add a few of these small kind of like a drops. Okay, that'll be it fine for now. Let's go ahead and select this magic wind tool. Hold shift button and just click on all letters. Select the gradient tool. Make sure that Essentials workspace is selected, otherwise you won't be able to select the gradient tool. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using green towards red gradients. So I'm just going to pull from letter A to letter T, and then hit Ctrl plus D to deselect. Perfect. Now you're ready for next step. Right click on the layer, copy over here, and click down new 3D extrusion from selected layer. It will ask you to switch to 3D workspace. Just confirm with yes. Perfect. Now you want to click over here, extrusion material. You want to click in diffuse, and then you want to select the inner color of the letters. So in this case I'm going to be using yellow color because I'm going to be placing later on in the end of the video texture to the letters, which is blue color. So let me show you. You'll be using this picture over here. So we don't want to use the blue color on the inside if we are using the blue finishing effect. So we'll be using something like greenish or yellowish effect. So make sure to select that, and then click on layer, click on the background, and then right click on background and click postcard. Now hold Ctrl and select both background and amazing text in the top, and now press Ctrl plus E. Perfect. Now right click on the background and now you need to go to the 3D and render 3D layer and give it some time. So if your computer is really powerful, this may take less time. If your resolution is really high, it can take longer time. So I'm going to just fast forward this process, and then we'll continue with the video later on. Perfect. Now we have this part finished. Now right click on the top part on the background and click rasterize 3D. Okay, now you want to again select the magic pen tool, right click over here if it's not selected, and then click magic pen tool. Hold the shift button and select all the letters. If you need to zoom in, hold the Ctrl and keep pressing plus button. You can zoom in order for you to select these letters. Nice. And then you can zoom out. Right click on any of these letters and click layer via copy. So now we have copied this layer, which includes only the top of the letters or the front. Now go ahead and open the picture which we'll be using as a texture for our letters. I'm using something like this. So I'm going to open this one. Make sure you select the move tool. So now move this picture and drop it in your project. Now hold Alt and click in between layer 1 and level 2. So make sure this is showing and click. And now you'll be able to move it a little bit around to adjust it the way how you want it, right? So for example, I'm going to leave it just like that. So, and when you finish this, if you have any of the mistakes, if I zoom in a little bit in the top of my corner, I can see my letter Z has a little bit strange shape, so you can fix it easily. Just first go into the layer and click Flatten Image. Now this one can be fixed by using the clone stump tool. Hold Alt, select the top part, and then you can easily fix this small mistake that happened, which usually should not happen. Or even better, you can go to your letter Z, you can select, just reduce this size of the brush and then select, and just so you can select actually this line, and you can pull this line towards the end, and voila, you have your project finished. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.